In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your video to be a Kung Fu animation with CapCut. By the end, you'll have a punchy, comic-style wobble that makes your footage feel fast, dramatic, and stylized. Perfect for Kung Fu vibes. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop or mobile version. The process is the same. Give the app a second to load into the editor. If you're prompted to choose a format, go with the aspect ratio that matches where you'll share the video, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical platforms. Keep your footage ready on your device so you can bring it in quickly. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to transform and place it on the timeline. Footage with quick movements, punches, kicks, or camera whips works especially well for this look. If your video is very long, don't worry. You can still apply the effect and focus it on the most action-packed sections later. Make sure the clip is selected so any changes you make apply to the right layer. Now click on Effects and type Wobble into the search bar. Effects might be in the toolbar at the bottom on mobile or along the left or top panel on desktop, but it's clearly labeled. Typing the name helps you find it instantly without scrolling. You'll likely see a few variations under video effects or similar categories. The classic wobble effect adds that animated elastic shake that makes movements feel exaggerated and hand-drawn. Click on Wobble and apply it. If you see an Apply or Add button, use that. Otherwise, drag it onto your clip in the timeline. Once it's on, you can adjust how strong it feels. Look for settings like intensity or speed, and nudge them until the motion sits right with your footage. Subtle settings can create a realistic comic shimmer, while higher values push it into full-on animation territory. If an effect layer appears above your video, you can trim or extend it so the wobble only covers the moments you want, like hits, jumps, or fast turns. Press play to preview and fine-tune until the wobble enhances action rather than distracting from it. A quick tip: if the wobble feels too chaotic during calm shots, reduce the intensity or keep the effect focused on high-impact moments. Clean, well-lit footage helps the stylized motion read clearly, and steady camera work can make the animated shake stand out more. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, search for wobble in effects, then apply and tweak it for that Kung Fu animation feel. Have fun experimenting and bring your action scenes to life.